Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 year. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2022 Wave 3. We have Christopher Bell's 2022 Dewalt Next Gen car. And on the back you get other Next Gens like Kyle Busch, Josh Berry's Xfinity car, Kevin Harvick, and his chase piece. Let's get Christopher Bell out of his box. Excuse me. So here is the sticker. Obviously, the Dewalt logo, the silver number 20, his name, well, actually his initial and his last name, and a similar paint scheme to the side of his car. So here is Christopher Bell. So Christopher Bell took over the 20 car after Eric Jones, went to Richard Petty Motorsports for the 2021 season, and now he took over the classic number 20 DeWalt car. Well, it was Matt Kenseth's car. Yeah. So anyway, his car is a golden yellow car with black, just like how the DeWalt color is mixed. The number 20 is moved to the side, and DeWalt takes over the remaining half side of here. Obviously, the new Toyota Camry body for the next gen car, silver number 20. Obviously, a new scheme from his 2021 car. Obviously, these side fusers, I have no idea what they're called, but I think they were to help cool the engine, I think. The yellow DeWalt logos on the trunk and on here. DeWalt. I'll give you a 360 look of it. Christopher Bell. Yeah, I almost said Eric Jones there. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.